The final type of speech that you could give for this assignment is a eulogy. And generally speaking, eulogies are speeches that are given to honor someone who has died. And with these types of speeches, you really want to make sure that you know as much about the person as possible. So even if it was someone that you were close to that you're eulogizing, you want to ask the people around that person. So ask their siblings, ask their spouses, ask their parents if they are still alive, ask anybody you can for stories so that you can get as much information about that person as possible, because you only saw one version of that person, and you want to make sure that you tell everyone how wonderful this person was from every facet of their life. And you also want to make sure that you look for at least one point in the speech to be lighter or slightly humorous. So you could tell a funny story of a time that you remember fondly with the person who has passed. And that really just helps kind of break the tension a little bit, because funerals tend to be a very sad atmosphere, right? Everyone is mourning the person who has passed. They're very sad that they have passed away. And it can be very welcome for us to tell these sort of humorous stories, these lighter stories, so that we can remember just how much life this person lived and how their whole life wasn't sad, that there were all these fun moments as well. So telling a short little story to kind of get a couple chuckles out of the audience is probably going to be welcome in most instances. And really, your job is just to tell the deceased's story, right? Tell everyone what they achieved in their lives, tell the audience who this person was and what they stood for in life. And really, the more personal that you can make it, the better it's going to be. And it's important for you to remind the audience to both celebrate that person's life as well as mourn their death, because you can do both at the same time. And that's what a eulogy is all about. It's all about expressing how much life this person lived, the wonderful stories that they lived to tell, and also expressing your own personal sadness about the fact that they are no longer with us and mourning that fact.